Allegorical elements in E. M. Forster's A Passage to India. E. M. Forster's novel A Passage to India is a rich tapestry of symbolism and allegorical elements, which add depth, complexity, and meaning to the narrative. Through the use of symbols, allegories, and motifs, Forster explores themes of cultural clashes, personal relationships, and the human condition. Let's discuss allegories which E. M. Forster used to explain complex and deep ideas. The Journey to the Marbar Caves, an allegory of self-discovery. The Journey to the Marbar Caves is an allegory of self-discovery, exploring the depths of human nature and the unknown. The journey was an allegory of life itself, a journey into the unknown. Through this journey, the characters confront their own fears, desires, and limitations. The caves were infinitely repetitive, and nothing in them held. The Trial of Dr. Aziz, an allegory of justice and truth. The Trial of Dr. Aziz is an allegory of the struggle for justice, truth, and cultural understanding in a colonial context. The trial was an allegory of the conflict between East and West, Chapter 20. The trial highlights the tensions between colonizers and colonized, as well as the challenges of achieving justice in a based system. Justice was incidental to law, and law was a British importation. The friendship between Fielding and Dr. Aziz, an allegory of cross-cultural understanding. The friendship between Fielding and Dr. Aziz is an allegory of the possibility of cross-cultural understanding and connection. Despite differences, their friendship was an allegory of the connection that could exist between East and West. Fielding says, "Aziz, you are my friend, my real friend." Aziz also considers Fielding good friend as Aziz says Fielding, "I have never had a friend like you." Through their relationship, Forster highlights the potential for mutual understanding and respect. Allegory of Temple and Masjid in A Passage to India. In E. M. Forster's novel A Passage to India, the temple and masjid, mosque, serve as allegorical structures, representing the human quest for spiritual connection, cultural identity, and community. In the mosque, he, Dr. Aziz, forgot the troubles of his life. The temple, allegory of inner turmoil and self-discovery. The temple represents the labyrinthine corridors of the human mind, symbolizing the search for meaning, purpose, and inner peace. Its intricate carvings and ornate architecture signify the complexities of human emotions, thoughts, and experiences. In the mosque, he, Dr. Aziz, forgot the troubles of his life. In conclusion, the symbolism and allegorical elements in A Passage to India enrich the narrative, inviting readers to interpret and reflect on the deeper meanings and themes. Through these elements, Forster masterfully explores the complexities of human nature, cultural clashes, and personal relationships, creating a lasting impact on the reader.